Hi, Dad.
Hey, kiddo, I'm really glad I got that EV charger out in the garage. I plug it in at night, get up in the morning, charge right up, ready to go.
Well, I read that more than 80% of EV charging is done at home. I'm sure it's really convenient and saves money. Do you need a permit to install the charger?
Yeah, the installer was really helpful. He explained that most of these EV chargers are subject to local electrical codes. In this municipality, you got to have a permit, but that's no problem. You go on the website, you fill out a form. I think he paid less than $50 for a fee, and we're good to go.
That's fantastic, Dad.
Yeah, and we got Tom, the electrician. You went to school with Tom, and he had a lot of good practical suggestions. He said, don't locate the charger near your hand tools and your bicycles or someplace where the cable's going to get wrapped up. He says, make sure to get it on your wall that's closest to your house. That's important because it's less expensive to do that wiring-wise. And he even explained to me that my system didn't need any modifications because the circuit breakers was all right up to code.
I'm glad you used an experienced electrician.
Yeah, I probably could have muddled through, but Tom's a real pro. His motto is red to red, black to black, we do it right or we come back. Now I'm gonna set you over here.
You got the wall-mounted unit, right? So you hang the charging cable and connector when you're not using it.
Oh yeah, I got the 25-foot cable, and heard from Tom I could have put it on the outside of the building or out at the end of the driveway, but I like the idea of having it right inside where it's warm and dry.
Great. Well, I guess the only thing left is to have fun driving your EV.
Well, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. See you later.